We'll guide you through how to fix the search bar missing in Google Chrome. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So perhaps you just gone and opened it up and you're finding that there's no search bar to go and use. And so you like that being there because you can quickly go and search what you're looking for, whether it's a query, a site, or something like that. So we're going to guide you through how you can go out fixing this. Make sure it's this full guide and pay close attention, and let's go and get this back. So what you need to do is come to the top right of Chrome, find the three dots and click there, go down and you want to go and find the option for settings and click there. Now what you need to do is come over to the left and you need to go and find the option for search engine like so. So this commonly happens due to the search engine set. So mine's currently set to Yahoo. If we press change to the right, we'll just go and set this back to Google and press set as default. Now, if we go and open up a new tab, you'll go and see the search bar is now back and the problem solved. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.